Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the discussion of the chapter, the third level. Today, we'll be handling the questions carrying 6 marks for this chapter. So, the first question is: do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? Why? This is a very important question, and it centers around the theme of the chapter. As mentioned by me earlier, that the central theme of this chapter is that how the modern man needs escape from his stressful life. So, in that way, the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie also. This is a valid point. Throughout the story, when we read the ending of the story, it is evident that Sam also uses the third level as an escape from his stressful life. So obviously, third level was a medium of escape for Charlie from his stressful lifestyle. So the fears, anxiety, insecurities of the modern world are taking a toll on man's mind. He feels helpless and frustrated, seeks temporary respite from life's harsh realities. So, what we are trying to say here is that the fears, the anxiety, the insecurity, all the stress that we have, all the stress that the modern man has, it is harming him mentally and physically. So, to tackle that harm, he takes temporary escape from life's harsh realities. We see many people in middle-aged folks. They engage in many hobbies like they play golf, they read books, they go out with friends on monthly trips, yearly trips, and they meet their friends weekly or something like that. So these are all activities which they use to escape from life's harsh realities or the problems they have to face on daily basis. So this is a relaxing experience for them because they feel helpless and frustrated because of the problems they have to face in their daily life. So Charlie too was unable to cope up with this fast-paced and stressful life. So his flight to the third level was undoubtedly a medium of escape for him. It was nothing but a creation of Charlie's own mind. And the fact that he only got to know of the third level when he was coming back from his work tells us that it was the major play of his stressful lifestyle in him discovering the third level. All of these evidences tell us that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie because he wanted to get out of his fast paced and stressful life. That is why he experienced the third level. His mind made him imagine the third level because his wish was to travel to Galesburg with his wife because Galesburg is so peaceful with large lawns, peaceful lifestyle. People are so happy back then. People were so happy back then. So he wanted to travel there. So when he came back to home, when he was coming back to home and he was to take the subway from the second level, he instead experienced the third level. What is being inferred from Sam's letter to Charlie? So in this question, first we would write about the contents of Sam's letter addressed to Charlie. The first thing is that it was addressed it was dated 18th July 1894. Secondly, it was written from Galesburg, Illinois to Charlie's grandfather. So we come to from these little details, we come to know that Sam has literally reached Galesburg in 1894, and also that he himself was looking for an escape from his stressful life. And he was so fascinated by Charlie's description of Galesburg and the third level that he wanted to try it. He wanted to try traveling to the era of 1894 with the help of the third level. So the introductory part of the letter, it confirms that Charlie's belief in the existence to the third level. So in the first part of the letter, Sam addresses the concern that Charlie, you were right, and there is a third level, and I have traveled to Galesburg, Illinois, uh, due to this third level at the Grand Central Station. So then he goes on to tell about the environment there. You know, the people are so happy, and there are festivities going on every day. People play songs, music, and the world of 1890s is really peaceful. So the world of 1890s was really away from the world of wars. The author uses Sam's letter as a unique combination of real and the fantasy world. Obviously, so the inclusion of this particular incident in the story tells us that the author, Jack Finney, how he's adding an element of the blurring lines between the reality and fantasy. His stories center around this only, sci-fi and thriller. So he added a touch of that in this story also by adding Sam's letter in the end. In response to Charlie's claim of having visited the third level, Sam, who is equally insecure, he wishes that the entire episode is true, as he too believes in the existence of the third level. In the starting, when we see that his therapist, who is not disclosed as Sam in that part of the story, his therapist, he tells him that, it's just an imagination, there is no third level, it's your walking wish fulfillment. In his mind, he is himself believing that काश ये सब सच होता, काश ऐसा थर्ड लेवल होता, काश वो एग्जिस्ट करता ताकि मैं भी वहां जाकर इस स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ से एस्केप कर पाता. So this tells us the irony in the story. The irony of the irony that the modern man has to face on daily basis. So how does Charlie make his description of the third level very realistic? To make his description of the third level very realistic, Charlie describes it minute details vividly, comparing it to the second level of the Grand Central Station. He says that the rooms here were smaller, there were fewer ticket windows and train gates, and the information booth was wooden and old looking. All of these details were discussed by me in the previous videos as well as sections. He also gives a detailed description about the people he saw at the third level and their dresses. He said that the people wore 19th century dresses. Obviously, the era, the year we are dealing with is 1894, which is the 19th century. And Charlie was from 20th century. Many men had beards, sideburns, and fancy mustaches. He also buys tickets to Galesburg, Illinois, thus making the reader believe that he actually was at the third level. And throughout the story, Charlie keeps telling us that he is not, mentally unstable, and he also consulted his therapist in regard to this incident. So you do not feel that this is a made up story. This is a real incident that the narrator experienced. So that is how he makes the description of the third level and the incident very realistic. He vividly describes the minute details of the third level. So these are some thinking questions that you can add your own value points to. So the first one is, do you think Charlie really saw the third level? You could pause and write your own points and then match with the points that I'm going to say now. So how do you think that Charlie? Do you think Charlie really saw the third level? In my opinion, Charlie really saw the third level. Although it was his imagination, but he really saw the third level. Although the third level was not real, but Charlie did experience the third level, because first he was so stressed he wanted an escape from his stressful life, and secondly, the vivid description tells us that as discussed in the previous question, it tells us that yes, he really saw the third level. And in this question, you can add up some lines about the theme of the chapter, the central story of the chapter, the central theme that and the fact that Sam also reached the third level, and not only the third level, he reached the Galesburg of 1894. It tells us that the third level was a real thing. The experience of third level gained by two people is enough to tell us that he really saw the third level. These are all the value points you can add. First of all, you can talk about the central theme of the story, tell a little about the overall story, and then go on to put your viewpoints further. That how the vivid description tells us that how in the starting of the story itself we come to know that how Charlie describes the Grand Central Station as a maze, and how he reached the Roosevelt Hotel once traveling back to home. So all of these little details, it tells us that Charlie was really stressed, he was really puzzled, and he really saw the third level, although it was his imagination. So justify the title, the third level. This is a prominent question and it can be asked from any chapter. So this is same as the question, what does the third level refer to? But in this question, you have to talk about the chapter as a whole. So when we talk about the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie. Again and again, we are referring to the third level as a medium of escape because of the fact that he saw the third level traveling back home. After a stressful day, his thought cycle was of stressful thoughts, which made him see the third level when he was traveling back home. He was so absent minded that instead of taking the second level, he reached the third level. The fact that he reached the third level, imagined it tells us that the title given to the chapter, the third level, is valid. Because all of the story centered around this incident only. Sam traveling to the third level and then taking the subway to Galesburg from there, taking the train there, and Charlie describing this incident to Sam, and him telling Charlie that this is only an escape you were looking for. This is not reality. So all of our stories centered around the third level, which itself is evident to justify this title. So this third level, this picture of third level is used by the author to tell us that how fantasy and reality can mingle. How wonderful, is our world, how wonderful are its phenomenon, that the sometimes reality can appear fantasy and sometimes fantasy can appear real. And how it plays with the minds of the modern man. How our stress is acting as a medium of how our stress is acting as a harmful factor for us, and how it is necessary for us to escape it sometimes and take a moment of leisure for ourselves. How important it is for the modern man to relax, to do something which makes him happy, and do something which makes him escape the stressful life once in a while. Another underlying theme which we can put here is that you should not escape, you should not entirely live in denial of the reality. You should not entirely deny the stressful things you are going through. But once in a while, you can lower the effect of the stress by engaging in activities that please you. People like Charlie, they experienced the third level because of the high level of stress. Many of us do not, majority of us do not experience anything like this. Many of us do not believe in incidents like these. But it is important to engage ourselves in a moment of leisure so that we can avoid something like this, something such mind altering to happen to us.